A debt settlement is when our office pays off a debtor's account balance with a one-time lump sum payment to its creditors. For example, if a debtor owes $10,000 on a Bank of America credit card, he can pay that credit card in full satisfaction of the debt by making a one-time payment to Bank of America in the amount of $4,000 or $5,000. The creditor must agree to the settlement in writing. A debt settlement is very different from the debt settlement companies that have been featured in many of the advertisements appearing on television today. In these situations, the debtor will be instructed to pay a monthly amount to the debt settlement company. The debt settlement company promises to hold these amounts in an account and pay the creditor in settlement once the account has aggregated sufficient funds. The problem is that by the time the debt settlement company can pay the creditors, the debtor is so far delinquent on his debts that they are past the time for settlement. Once a creditor sends the debt owed to an attorney for collection, it's simply too late. The attorney is not interested in the settlement. The attorney's only interest is in suing the debtor and getting a judgment. The method used by these debt settlement companies is faulty, leading to more problems for the debtor than solutions. The only good way to settle a debt is through a one-time payment to that creditor, which is accepted by the creditor in writing in full satisfaction of the debt. The other problem with many of the debt settlement companies is that their conduct is fraudulent. Many of our clients have come to our office after having begun affairs with a debt settlement company. After 4 to 6 months, the client usually realizes the debt settlement company will not deliver on its promises. The client will then contact the debt settlement company to terminate their services and be informed that the debt settlement company will retain for payments of its fees all or the majority of the monies paid into the program. A number of these debt settlement companies, especially those in California, have been the subject of investigation and prosecution by the state attorney of their respective states. After we have settled the debt, we request the client to return to our office in order that we may pull his credit report. The credit report must designate that the debt has been settled or paid in full satisfaction of the debt. If the debt is not properly reflected on the credit report, our office will take measures to mandate that the creditor accurately report the debt.